50 Jade Roller questions answered. Benefits, how to use, and more. What is a jade roller? A jade roller is a beauty tool made of jade stone used for facial massage and skincare. What does a jade roller do? It reduces puffiness, improves circulation, and helps skincare products absorb better. Is a jade roller worth it? Yes, it's affordable, easy to use, and offers multiple skincare benefits. How does a jade roller work? It works using a rolling motion. This stimulates blood flow and lymphatic drainage, reducing puffiness and promoting glowing skin. What are the benefits of using a jade roller? It reduces puffiness, minimizes fine lines, improves product absorption, and relaxes facial muscles. How do you use a jade roller? Roll it gently over your face in upward and outward motions. How often should you use a jade roller? Daily or 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Can you use a jade roller on bare skin? Yes, but it's better to use it with a serum or moisturizer for smoother gliding. How long should you use a jade roller? 5 to 10 minutes per session. Can you use a jade roller under your eyes? Yes, but use gentle pressure to avoid damaging the delicate skin. Does a jade roller reduce puffiness? Yes, the cooling effect helps constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling. Can a jade roller help with acne? It can improve circulation and reduce inflammation, but it's not a direct acne treatment. Does a jade roller help with wrinkles? Regular use can minimize the appearance of fine lines by improving circulation. Can a jade roller help with dark circles? Yes, it improves blood flow and reduces puffiness under the eyes. Does a jade roller help with lymphatic drainage? Yes, it stimulates the lymphatic system to remove toxins and reduce puffiness. Jade roller versus gua sha, which is better? Jade rollers are gentler and better for beginners, while gua sha offers deeper massage. Jade roller versus rose quartz roller. What's the difference? Both work similarly, but rose quartz is slightly cooler and more calming. Can you use a jade roller and gua sha together? Yes, use the jade roller first for gentle massage, then gua sha for deeper sculpting. Is a jade roller better than a facial massage? It's a convenient alternative to professional facials and offers similar benefits. Jade roller versus ice roller, which is better for puffiness. Ice rollers provide instant cooling, while jade rollers offer long-term benefits. How do you clean a jade roller? Wash it with mild soap and water, then dry it with a soft cloth. Can you sanitize a jade roller? Yes, you can use alcohol or a gentle disinfectant spray. How often should you clean your jade roller? After every use to prevent bacteria buildup. Can you put a jade roller in the fridge? Yes, storing it in the fridge enhances its cooling effect. How long does a jade roller last? With proper care, it can last for years. Can you use a jade roller on oily skin? Yes, it helps reduce puffiness and improve product absorption. Is a jade roller good for dry skin? Yes, it enhances hydration by helping moisturizers penetrate deeper. Can you use a jade roller on sensitive skin? Yes, but use gentle pressure to avoid irritation. Is a jade roller good for aging skin? Yes, it improves circulation and reduces the appearance of fine lines. Can you use a jade roller on acne-prone skin? Yes, but clean it thoroughly to avoid spreading bacteria. Does a jade roller slim your face? It can reduce puffiness, but it won't permanently slim your face. Can a jade roller tighten skin? It improves elasticity temporarily, but won't replace professional treatments. Does a jade roller help with double chin? It can reduce puffiness but won't eliminate a double chin. Is a jade roller just a trend? No, it's been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. Can a jade roller replace Botox? No, but it can complement skincare routines for a natural glow. Where can I buy a jade roller? Online retailers like Amazon. Check link in my bio. Question 38. How much does a jade roller cost? Question 39. What should I look for in a jade roller? Smooth edges, genuine jade, and a comfortable handle. Are expensive jade rollers better? Not necessarily. Focus on quality and craftsmanship. Can I buy a jade roller at Walmart? Yes, many stores like Walmart and Target carry jade rollers. Can you use a jade roller for headaches? Yes. Rolling it on your temples can relieve tension. Can you use a jade roller for sinus pressure? Yes, gently roll it along your sinuses for relief. Can you use a jade roller for jaw tension? Yes, it helps relax tight jaw muscles. Can you use a jade roller for TMJ? It can provide temporary relief but isn't a cure. Can you use a jade roller for a facelift? It can improve circulation and reduce puffiness but won't replace surgery. Can you use a Jade roller with oil? Yes, facial oils help the roller glide smoothly. Can you use a Jade roller with a sheet mask? Yes, roll it over the mask to enhance absorption. Can you use a Jade roller with retinol? Yes, but avoid rolling too hard to prevent irritation. Can you use a Jade roller with sunscreen? Yes, but apply sunscreen after rolling. For more info about Jade rollers, click the link in the description.